Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a business with Dun & Bradstreet, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register a business with Dun & Bradstreet, start by visiting their official website. Locate the option for Get DUNS Number on the homepage. Click on that link to begin the registration process. You'll need to select whether you're registering a new business or enhancing an existing one. Fill in the required fields with your business information. Include your legal business name as registered with the state. Enter your business address, ensuring it matches your official documents. Provide a phone number that can be used for verification. Add the email address that you regularly monitor for correspondence. Next, specify your business type, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. You may also need to indicate your industry type in the corresponding field. After completing all necessary fields, review your input for accuracy. Skip any optional fields if you're short on time, but know that providing more information can help build your business profile. Once you've verified all the details, submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. If you don't receive it, check your spam or junk folders. Dun & Bradstreet typically processes requests within a few business days. After your DUNS number is assigned, it will be sent to the email address you provided. Keep this number safe, as it's essential for many business activities. If you encounter any issues, customer support is available on their website for assistance. That concludes the registration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.